from Mardan.
Oh, it's a beautiful shot. It's so good because he knows third is up in the circle. Can't bowl there. Cannot bowl there to a man in form. Oh, he's got a nick. He has the big wicket. What a catch as well.
The delivery was good, but so was the catch. Just look at that. Excellent reach onto the right side. Throwing himself away. The wicket keeper, Daud Nazar, he took a blinder yesterday as well.
Pulled back. Past the bowler. This will be a little bit of relief.
Nicely worked through the onside. Powerful enough. Yeah, this is too straight, too full. He's just waited for the ball to come within his zone. Just tucked it away off the pads nicely. Very good short delivery. Just rushed him. Yeah, you got to try and make sure you've got protection when you go for that short ball, because if you get a top edge like that, no fine leg. Finds the gap. Has enough pace to go into the boundary line. This will help their scoring rate. Very straight indeed, and pays a heavy price for it. Much better, but the length a little too much on the full side. Oh, this is a beauty. It's actually on the up. Edged. Yeah, we've seen him take a couple of incredible catches diving away to his right. This one just a bit too far. It looks like a bust after those first couple of balls that were too straight, and he was picked off on the onside. Chopped on. Well, his persistence. He's just looking to run that down to third man. Looks like it's come off the bottom glove, actually. Yeah, it has. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful stroke. There's Razak. Beg your pardon, Ali Razak. Going into the 30s. Oh, that is a beauty to see.
It runs now. It's got a good connection.
The leg spinner offering the width. He was on the bounce really quickly. Good weight transfer, good contact.
Yeah, it was on the cards. It was bound to happen. The pressure was just crushing them down. And this is actually a wicket earned.
Just look at that. The flight was there, the length. He dragged it back a little. Ali Razak wanted to use his feet, but the length was not there. Very well bowled. Takes the leg stump.
Just ramps that, and he knows third man is in. One bounce, that's more like it.
From Shahwez Irfan. He was deep in the crease, used the height of the ball and the pace. Emil Khan on the receiving end. Good connection, good cricket.
That's a good looking shot. That's one of the best, and have a look at that. He's played that for a maximum over extra.
Just look at that punch. So much power, so much strength. And with that, a lot of timing. There was no fielder in deep covers or long off.
And because of that, the batter just plays that ramp.
Yeah, he's really telegraphed this, hasn't he? Because of his field set, and because fine leg and square leg are up in the circle, batter knows he's going to go full, and that's a clever shot. So now what has he got?
He was searching for that shot, and that's a brilliant catch. Not the area that he intended that stroke to go in, but Mohammad Irfan with a stunner.
To deep cover. I don't think he picks it up straight away, Mohammad Irfan, but what he does do, he gets himself in a good position. His hands are in a good position.
Piece on to find the gap. through that third region. 9 for 4 after 17
laps.
Ball toss. Struck well enough to go all the way for 6.
It's a good shot as well. Gone for his Yorker. Good piece of timing, deep in his crease. The batter, look how deep. Stays low, slices it out and goes over the...
Onside in the gap. And 4 more.
And the seamers struggled to stop. The likes of Charlie Tier and Afnan Khan for the Raiders. Now they're doing exactly the same. Got themselves into a position. They'd been putting the Royals under pressure. Go that wide line.
Yeah, when you go too wide.
Point back and bring square leg up.
There's that paddle. Using the pace.
Mohammed Nabil. And he just, with fine leg and third man up, he's just going to help